Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the EV Geek Studios. I am Joel, and in case you follow any of the videos on our podcast, you know that my family owns a Kia EV6. And just like any vehicle you own, whether it be an EV or a gas-powered car, you need to change the cabin air filter. And the EV6 is pushing 50,000 miles, so I thought it's a great time to get the cabin air filter changed. And we're going to show you how to do it in about 30 to 40 seconds. Watch this video. We'll go through the steps to change it out. Very simple, like I said, it can be done in seconds and prevent you from going to the dealership and spending, over $100 to have them do it for you. I'll show you the air filter we're going to use. I'll put a link in the description. $10, y'all. It's all it costs are $10 for one of these air filters, and it'll last you 40, 50,000 miles. So without further ado, let's get started with replacing our Kia EV6 cabin air filter. All right, we are back. We got the hood popped. And first thing you're going to do is open up your frunk here. So you have this little frunk, we call it the front envelope, open up. That's where you're going to access your air filter. Now, the reason I like this cabin air filter is that it comes with, it's got the activated carbon in it. So why should you pay a little bit more for one that has activated carbon in it? Well, first off, it's going to help with odor removal. So charcoal filters, often activated carbon, are excellent at trapping in and neutralizing those unpleasant odors. This helps keep your cabin of your EV smelling fresh by removing odors from the outside environment like exhaust that might enter the vehicle. Also, better comfort. A lot of us live in cities or areas with high air pollution, and charcoal air filters like this one help reduce the intake of harmful particles and pollutants, making your drive experience even more comfortable and safer, especially if you frequently drive in congested areas. And last, it can also enhance your HVAC system protection. These charcoal filters can help protect the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems of your EV by filtering out dust and debris. This can improve the efficiency of the system and reduce wear and tear. And like I said in the intro, there is a link to this air filter here for EV6. I actually found out when doing some research, this covers a bunch of EV and Hyundai models. So even if you're not an EV6 owner, it will cover, but you do own a Kia or a Hyundai, it will cover those models as well. So we're going to reset the camera, zoom on in, and show you just how quick and easy it is to replace this air filter. All right, we have our front open. Like I said, this is so quick and easy to do. Do not pay a dealership or a repair place to do this for you. Literally, the filter is $10 on Amazon, link in the description, and you can do it in about 30 seconds. So the first thing you're going to do is you have this little pad here in your front. We're going to move that out of the way. And you'll see in the back here, there's a little lip here. This is for your to charge your 12 volt if it dies, or access to your 12 volt. We're going to pull this little lip out. And you'll see that we have a little opening right here. If you look back here, you'll see a little thing that looks like a little grate. And on the left-hand side, when you're facing it, there's these two little latches that you push down on. And this comes off. All right, put that off to the side. Don't lose that. And inside there is your air filter. So as you can see, mine is pretty dirty. There's a lot of dust. There's a lot of debris in there. So getting rid of this one, getting the new one pulled in. Also, you want to make sure that you're following the airflow. So airflow needs to be going down. So make sure your arrows are going down. We're going to put this one in. It only goes in one way. If you try to put it in another way, it's too small. So it is a rectangle, so you make sure you put it in the correct way. Slide it in. Once it's in place, you'll take the little back part of this little door here, slide it in there, squeeze in those tabs again. It is latched into place. Very good. Get rid of the old one, throw it off to the side. Snap that back on. We're good to go. Put your mat back on. Close the front. Voila. Like I said, very easy. Can be done in a matter of seconds or minutes. So as you can see, very quick and easy install for the cabin air filter on your Kia EV6 EV. Once again, this filter is $10. Link in the description. You can get it on Amazon. And like I said, I do mine every 40, 50,000 miles. But since these things are so cheap, you could do it every 10, 15, 20,000 miles. However, however often you want to do it. You can't do it too much. This just keeps the air flowing and improves the air quality coming into your vehicle and helps remove some of those outdoor odors and pollutants. I want to thank you again for watching another great install here on the EV Geek Studio podcast channel, and we will see you again on another install and review. So long, everyone.